So how things going, Kiko? Wanna give us an update?
Yes, good. Tomorrow we remove the ground already. Only got done. So I'm going to level a little bit more the floor today or tomorrow. I'm patching the wall over there. We leave it dry to put another coat or membrane.
Oh, in the shower?
The shower,
Yeah.
yes.
And then I'll be ready to go for the tiling?
Yes.
Okay.
Probably after tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, so I have to leave it dry. It's almost ready to tile.
Okay. Sounds
Put
good.
this one ready also.
I do have the flooring set for the 18th and 19th. So next Monday and Tuesday.
Next Monday?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
So I got the floor over there already.
Yeah. So they'll come in and do this part, right? They'll still be okay, right? Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah. I'll let you keep moving. So your sciatica doesn't kick in anymore. Feels so bad.
This morning I come out, I say, no more sciatic. I have to live with that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sciatica, be gone.
Yes, I need to
Way to pray on it for you.
kill him.
Yeah.
Yes. So
Okay, I'm gonna let you get back to it. Let me go over here and check this out, and then so we got a new. Take this off. We're doing a renovation here, but in the same building, I've got another unit I'm gonna sell, and we're getting rid of the washer and dryer in that one. But the washer's having some problems, but the dryer works. Still very new, so we're gonna swap that out right here. So that, you know, whatever, saves $500, $600. So get it where you can. And right now, what Kiko was talking about is back here on the wall. It just wasn't even enough. So it's like more tedious, but that's what you want. Someone like that that's doing the work. He's making sure it's completely level and not trying to slap the tiles up. Be done with it, right? You want to, if you're on the buying side and you're getting a property that we're putting together here, it's going to be right. So, but if you're just renovating a place yourself, you need somebody like that. So it's very, very important, and that's just a little tip there. You have to put the level up on the wall to make sure that it is. Hey, Kiko, I was sort of explaining, but just explain sometimes. And this probably a lot of people don't think about that, and they don't know. Is why it's been a little bit more tedious with the wall, because it wasn't quite right, level wise.
yes, exactly.
Yeah. So the situation was the walls weren't quite level.
Yeah, it was very unlevel.
And then what have you been doing?
Yeah.
Explain the process, so maybe somebody's just getting a home renovation and can understand. They haven't
You
really.
see almost flush now.
Yeah.
This one also the same.
And
So,
but they're
I'm gonna put primer now
yeah.
and another membrane. Yes, I already have in there.
But I would guess that there's some contractors that would just go ahead and
yes.
put the tiles up and not think twice about it.
Yeah, they leave it with hole behind.
Right.
Just put in fourth place, something like that. No, I would like the ceramic type, the whole place of ceramic.
Yeah.
Complete full of glue.
Yeah.
Yes.
And not
They don't use membrane also. I never seen somebody putting the membrane.
Yeah.
The one I know. I'm gonna put more membrane everywhere.
And that really protects people
Yeah, protect and me also from outside.
from the outside. Yeah.
Yes. Behind we have insulation and we have paper, also plastic.
Yeah.
Yes. Body.
Okay. All right. I'll let you get back to it. So, like I say, that's the right way to do it. It's It's
taking time, but I'm doing it right.
yeah. A lot of people don't do it that way, and you wouldn't necessarily know the difference, and you may never know. But then if something happens that's off later on, you have problems. You probably still wouldn't know because you didn't know that could have been the cause of the problem. Just something to think about. That it's better to get it done right and not have it rushed. So remember that in the shower walls if you're getting tiling done. That's something really important. So that we're at day 10, and like I said, we're almost ready to put the tiles up. That would have been sooner had those walls been right, but they weren't. Flooring will be coming in a week, and then we'll be close to wrapping up. Sounds good. Thank you.
Okay, take care.
All right. All right. So we're gonna basically go upstairs tomorrow, get a dryer, bring it down here, hook it up, and hopefully that'll be good, and we'll save $500, and we will move on towards day 11. I can't emphasize the amount of work he's had to do on that wall in the shower to make it just right. He's very picky about that, and that's a good thing. Sometimes pickiness over things that don't matter can cost too much time, but when it comes to that foundational stuff, no, you got to get it right, and we're definitely getting it right for whoever's buying this place. That's something you want to definitely keep in mind. So we'll see you on day 11. Thanks for checking us out, and obviously leave some comments and messages if you have any questions, and maybe we can get Kiko to answer. See, he's pretty good on the camera. He likes it. He's got sciatica problem right now though, so I have to keep him moving. He's having his good days and his bad days, but we'll see you for day 11. See you soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you want to see the rest of the videos in this condo renovation project from start to finish until we take it live for sale, then click over here, subscribe, or down below, wherever it is, and we'll see you on the next video.